All right, welcome back. So we're looking at lesson 10, another practice activity for the text lesson for code.org CS Discovery. So if you look here, this one looks like there's a missing score that's going on here. We're supposed to have a red score and a blue score, and if we run this, there are no scores. So we got to fix that, right? And it says do this, add text to the scene so that it matches the scene in the picture. Well, we really just need to, we don't actually have to create like a scoring program, we just have to have the text on the screen. All right, so as we talked previously, we kind of want to make sure that the sprites are drawn first, and then we do the text afterwards so that they can be overlaid over top of the sprites. And that's what we have going on here. So we have a field and a ball, and that's being placed on there with the draw sprites. And now what we need to do is create our text. So first thing we're going to do, it looks like the text is white here. So we're going to go ahead and bring out a fill, and we're going to select white. Which doesn't have an option there, but we can just type that in and it'll recognize that. And then we need to set the text size. So let's find text size here. We need to do that next. And 12, we'll try this first and see how that works. So in JavaScript, this is kind of how this works, as you select the color of the text, the size of the text, and then you go ahead and put the text on there of what you would like. Interesting. There we go. So we want red score. So let's go ahead, type that, and we want 3. And we'll keep it at that and we'll see how that works. And then we're going to add another one on here. So again, we're just typing in the text that's going to show up here. So this one's blue score. And that's 4. And then we got to give it a location. These should be the same because we're going to keep them on the same y-axis here. But we're going to have to change the x-axis the same y-axis, so we keep it at this level and then change the x-axis to make it over here. So let's kind of put that close to the end. So we'll do like 325. And let's give that a try. All right, not too bad. Looks like those are both pretty good. Maybe they're a touch too high. Let's do 20 and 20. And maybe that blue could be moved over just a little bit, so we'll do like 327. There we go. So now it's moved over a little bit and not touching the white line there. All right, so that's how you do that. You know, one of the things when you're doing text, you just want to always make sure you're careful with which order you have stuff show up on the screen. So in this case, we wanted the sprites to show up first, and then we're going to go ahead and do the text. And when you do the text, you have to follow, you have to select the color of the text, the size of the text, and then what you want that text to be. And this is its location. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.